In today's video, we will try to learn GST transaction for registered dealer. For this, we have to follow um, some steps. For this, we will follow the first step where we will create ledgers. For this, first of all, select your company. I made the company as GST Limited. So now we will create ledger. For this, come here, gateway of tally, then go with chart of accounts, then go with ledgers, then press Alt H for multi ledger. So select multi create by multi master, then select all items, then first one is capital. You can see all these example in our description link. Capital under will be capital account. The amount is 16,50,000. The question mentioned the amount, so I will put this. You can check the question first. Thank you. Then press enter. Then the next one is bank. So we will put the name bank. It will be under bank account. The amount is 7,90,000. 7,90,000 is complete. Now we will press enter. Press enter. Accept yes. Now we will create the cash. For this, come here, gateway of tally, then go with alter, then select ledger, then select cash. We will put the cash balance, so we will come here, put the balance which is 6 lakh. 6 lakhs. Press enter, accept yes. Well, selection and the application is complete. Now come here, gateway of tally, then go with create, then select ledger. The first one we will create, which is purchase. So we will select purchase. We will write purchase. Then press enter. It will be under purchase account. Purchase account. All the items are open because we made when we made our company, we put the GST yes. So all the item here showing inventory values are affected yes. Type of ledger not applicable. Then include accessible value not applicable. GST applicability yes, applicable. As per company or group, as per company or group. Type of supply, it will be goods because we want to purchase some goods. Press enter. Press enter. We don't want to put any opening balance, so we'll just skip this and accept yes. Next one we will create, which is sales. So we'll put the name sales. Press enter. It will be under sales account. Press enter. Inventory values are affected, not applicable. And only the GST applicability it will be applicable, and the type of supply is goods. Nothing to change except yes. The next one is we want to create CGST. So we'll put the name CGST. Press enter. It will be under duties and taxes. So we'll put duties and taxes. Then it will be type of duty and taxes, which is GST. Tax type, which is central tax. CGST, so we'll select CGST. Percentage duration of calculation, it will be 0% for now. Rounding off, it will be normal rounding. Rounding limit, I want to put rounding limit is 2. Other details, skip this, accept yes. In the next one we want to create, which is ST limited, which is mentioned in our question. So we will create this ST limited. Then press enter. It is our sundry creditors, so select sundry creditors. Sundry creditors. Maintenance bill by bill, yes. Now don't want to put any credit period, so nothing I want to put. It will be West Bengal, India, pin code which is mentioned in our question, so we'll put this pin code. In our question the pan and tan is mentioned, so we'll put this. Then it will be regular. Put the GST number if you have. See, so everything. Sorry, we don't have this GST number is not actual. I took this example from a book, but the GST number is showing wrong, so we'll just skip this for now. Set or it will be yes. West Bengal, and it will be no. Nothing is opening balance. Then press enter. Nothing to mention, so press enter. Accept yes. Then we will go with our next one, where we will create QR limited. So we will put the name QR limited, QR limited, which is mentioned in our question. It is also sundry creditors. All the things are same. Here one pin code is mentioned in our question, so we'll put this. It is also mentioned in our question, so we'll write this. Will be regular, and the GST one. Put the number if you have. I saw in the question, so I'll put this. Just for this example, we will skip this and press it yes, yes, accept, yes. All the creation is complete. In our next step, we will create stock items with GST. This is for today. Thank you for watching.